At AprilAire, we pride ourselves on pushing innovation forward. Innovation inspired from decades of contractor feedback. Today we introduce the AprilAire E050, the world's most compact, professional-grade dehumidifier. Basement and crawl space contractors wanted a lightweight, highly maneuverable dehu to get them into the tightest of crawl spaces, basements, and attics. A smaller footprint without sacrificing power and capacity. The 10 by 10 by 25 inch unit weighs just 46 pounds and can pull 50 pints per day from spaces up to 1,600 square feet. The new Easy Grip eases transportation and maneuverability, while the quick release air filter simplifies cleaning and maintenance. Manufactured and assembled in the USA, the E050 comes standard with full E-Series functionality, error codes, and AprilAire's industry-leading 5-year warranty. Maintain precise humidity control in any environment with AprilAire products that provide homeowners with healthy indoor air and lasting peace of mind. Contact your regional distributor or visit AprilAirePartners.com to find out more information about the E050 and other healthy air products from AprilAire. AprilAire, we are healthy air.